When you're filling out application forms, you have to make them individual. I've seen so many application forms where the wrong firm's been named as the place that they would like to work. And just, so take your time. Double check, get somebody else to check over it. Don't just fill in the gaps and change the gaps for depending on the firm you're applying to. Do make it individual. When it comes to interviews, the first thing you have to do is just be yourself. Don't be late. There's probably the more important, actually. But be yourself, be on time, and again, be willing to ask questions. I've seen people come before with a list of questions in a little notebook which they've referred to. Really what you want to do in an interview is just have a flow of conversation. That's what it should be. You're there already on academics, you've gone through the process of filling out the form. People want to see what you're like, and if you're the right sort of person to work in that firm. That's what it comes down to. Have your personality, put it on show, unless it's too extreme, and then maybe measure it back a little bit. But if you're a genuinely sort of warm, normal person, whatever that might be, just be yourself. If you get the opportunity to be on a vacation scheme, the best thing you can do is to throw yourself into it. Absolutely. Offer to get involved with things. Make yourself available. Be interested. Be proactive. Don't be a wallflower. Don't wait for work to be given to you. Go out there and find out about it. You're only there for maybe a week or 2 weeks. Very, very rarely anything more than that. Make yourself visible. Is this difficulty of being sort of keen but not overbearing. Don't be a distraction to people, but be there and willing to learn. I think that is, without doubt, having been a supervisor on vacation schemes and worked in graduate recruitment as well, they're the things that stand out. People who are prepared to put in the time during the working day, but also show an interest in the people that they're working with. It's no longer good enough just to get a training contract. You also then have to qualify, and jobs are few and far between, even on qualification nowadays. So you really have to stand out as a trainee, and the way to do that is, again, to embrace things, whether you like it or not. At least give the impression that you're enjoying the work that you're doing. Don't gripe, don't complain too much. Of course, there are circumstances where it's appropriate. You should speak out. But as an employment lawyer, I have to say that. But really, it's important for you to be open-minded to new opportunities. Some people come in with very much a mindset of the work that they want to do. And if they get put into seats that they don't want to do, they make it known, either through how they speak or their actions. Embrace the opportunity, because you're being assessed across all departments at all times. Throw yourself into external activities as well, get involved, and really push the BD. Business development now is one of the key attributes when looking at qualified solicitors as well as trainees. So use those opportunities, get out there, make a name for yourself, because if it doesn't work out with your own firm, at least you've got something else in your arsenal to go and sell on to another firm as well.